Hello, welcome to Nordic Retro Devices. This is the Helkama Playboy 10 radio. Helkama made several models of the Playboy series in mid-1960s. The name Playboy was probably chosen because it was a buzzword of the era. Finland even sent a song to the Eurovision Song Contest in 1966 called Playboy. Since the term Playboy is a commonly used noun, it could be used in other contexts than magazine publishing. The Playboy range of radios were well built but affordable. A young person could buy one after working for the summer. The advertisements were aimed towards younger male consumers. This was probably true for most audio equipment ads those days. Helkama made many different products and imported many more, like cars. Here are a few of the categories aimed for the consumers. Helkama was founded in 1905 and was famous for their bicycle shops. At some point, they made the step from trading to manufacturing. This was also true for radios. This radio was made in Finland from imported components. The design is modular, which means that several models use a mix of the same modules. It also made it easier to keep up with the development when only a small part could be updated instead of changing the whole design. A modular design made manufacturing easier when smaller simple modules could be made and tested separately from main assembly. The design is pretty neat with wood and black plastic. The wooden parts seem more precise than the plastic parts. This is the era when plastic was still considered bad. On a portable radio, plastic is still accepted. This is a relatively lightweight unit, and after all, it has lasted abuse for 60 years. Not bad. It's a simple design with one knob that turns the unit on and controls the volume. Another is for the tone adjustment. A third selects the frequency. In addition, you can select between the AM and FM bands. For some reason, this is not really working properly. We can only hear static. Let's see if the problem is with the volume control. A bit of cleaning spray. And it seems to work much better. This is a very hard button to put back for some reason. The unit is opened with one screw that holds the lid for the battery compartment. The same screw holds the whole unit together. Six C-cells are required for the operation. These batteries are branded Aira, another old Finnish brand. They are not made in Finland anymore, but this radio probably had the same brand batteries when new. Let's remove the batteries. Okay, let's remove the back plate. There is not much inside. You can see that the back plate is attached to the speaker that is attached to the front. So one screw holds everything in place. You can see the modules for the electronics and the grey AM antenna. The frequency selector is on the left. Let's put it all back together. I forgot, it really goes into several pieces when you remove that one single screw. But okay, now we can see the internals a little bit better. The frequency selector is made in Germany, the speaker in Japan, and yeah, okay, the antenna is not in place properly. The back plate is flimsier than the front, so it seems easier to connect the wood with the back plate and then put both together with the front. And then we can insert the batteries. Please note that nothing is holding the unit together at this point. And then finally the battery compartment lid and the so important screw. So now it's back together. Let's see if we can hear something. Let's pull out the antenna first and then tune in some channels. At this time we had the frequencies up to 100 MHz in Finland. This goes up to 104. Other models went up to 108, maybe for export reasons.
Luultavasti kasvanut siitäkin, koska viimeisten vuosikymmenten aikana on ollut paljon suurempi kiinnostus.
Teivät juuri niin ja mies liikkeelle eikä ria. Se on väännettä yksi tanssis.
K-Market, oman kylän kauppa.
Lämpö kuuluu saunaan. Kylmä avantoon.